back. I have to go back here with something to remember. Still working on the motor with 10 minutes left.
Yeah, got about 80 more. I just put some out.
For Team Mini Mania stickers on the white paint. How about team, who is it? Team Mini Spares, that's what it should be.
I got some of the tracks better than some of the drivers. They have another movie this year?
I don't know, this is just
fun.
Show that I was here. Show that I was here. Look at this Dunlap race tires. All the front-running minis run Dunlap race tires, you know?
Yeah.
There he is. Oh, yes, I know. Mania, yeah. I've been trying to get that. Thomas. This is Will Thomas. Here.
How are you? We're ready.
Will Thomas from New York, New York.
That's it.
That's it.
Hello to everybody.
What's your name?
Scott Atkinson.
Scott Atkinson from where?
Toledo, Ohio.
Toledo. Okay. Driving the butchered grill, the butchered wavy grill. I hope you can sleep nights by doing that. Luckily, they're making them again. If they weren't making them again, I'd just take this mini away from them. Hi.
How you doing? Oh, I'm not the driver. That's the guy.
Yeah, this chicken driver right here.
What's your name and where you're from?
J.J. Rodman, Jr., Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Okay, great. I'm just doing this for Mini Mania.
Okay. And here's the guy who was supposed to drive the car out there. He never showed.
The hot.
If you were pulling my leg, you no more left me. You're going to take that car out in the
We were ready. We were ready to let you take it out. We had it ready for it.
You never showed up.
You're a paid driver.
What's that?
That's a professional driver.
Nah, that's a professional. He's a professional bullshitter is what he is.
Appointment. You made an appointment to take the car out and then didn't show. We should have
You're
charged.
cleaning off like you just got out of a race car.
No, just hot. Just hot.
You guys are first. Let's see, SDRA.
Well, if I got enough force to get up the top of the hill, start. It might be right.
There's the driver. Okay. The back marker cars are the 7 Enterprises sponsored cars. Hey. Nice.
5 o'clock, I was behind the wheel. Practice session Friday morning. Well, I could have made it. I was just behind that.
I think I better get in my car.
No, express my appreciation.